Morning students, welcome in online class. I hope all of you stay safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to start a new lesson of class 7, 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer. His writings are marked by great faith in God and respect for moral values. Theme of wisdom, awareness, kindness and forgiveness. 3 Questions is a short story which deals with the questions which a king wanted to know so that he would never fail. These 3 questions were: first is, what is the right time to begin something? Again I repeat, the first question is, what is the right time to begin something? Second question is, which people should he listen to? Second question is, which people should he listen to? Third question is, what is the most important thing for him to do? Theme of wisdom. King wanted to know 3 questions. So he sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions very differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way the king do everything at its proper time. While others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Then others said that the king needed a council of wise men. Here, council means a group of people. So, the king needed a group of wise men who would help him act at proper time, because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. But then others said that there was something which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time of doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. In their answer to the second question, and the second question was, which people should he listen to? Some said that the most necessary people were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose doctors, and others said that his soldiers were the most necessary people. To the third question, and the third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? Some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. How the king got his answers, we will read in further class. So students, and learn the difficult words